Are you serious? You suck.
How do I suck?
You did it. Hey, roll this one down. Hey, roll it down.
Man, you know I can't.
Previously on Brutal. The guys have really been working their butts off trying to get this ACES kit on Hunter's car. Well, it's been one thing after the next, right? I think we all understand that. We've been there, we've done it. Well, they had it happen to them. They were trying to use the stock fuel lines, and you have to have adapters. So you can adapt your stock fuel line over into 6AN-8, whatever it is you want to do. That's what they decided to do because it would be easier, and the ACES kit does run off of a high pressure EFI fuel injection pump. Basically, you can leave all that stuff, but you have to have some adapters. Well, of course, the wrong adapters were ordered. Now they've gotten the right fittings on the car, and it didn't run. So they messed with this thing for a couple of days, and finally I got a day off trying to figure out why it would not fire. What I come up with was they were 180 out on the distributor, and this is not a knock against them. This is a very common mistake that I want to remind you guys of as well. Just because you put the balancer on 0 doesn't mean you're on the compression stroke. Looks like they were on the power stroke. We got the timing set on the car, and then it still just didn't want to start. So here's where I mess up. So come to find out, the car, the fuel pressure's just all over the place, jumping around. I'm like, oh crap, this thing's probably out of fuel. So I go grab a jug that I think's gas, pour it in the car, and I'm pretty sure it was diesel. I'm almost positive, or at least it had some diesel mixed in with it, because I finally got the car to run, and oh my God, did it run bad and smoke. So anyway, needless to say, I drained all that out for him, went and got some fresh 93, put it in the car, flushed the lines, and wham, here we go. So that's where we're going to pick up with today's video. We all screw up, y'all. It's okay.
All right, so I've done a very poor job of videoing the work being done to this car. Now, I've not done really anything to it. I did have to get the damn thing running for him. I will admit that. I had to. Y'all had it all jacked up. With that being said, they did do pretty much all the work to this car. So I'm proud of them, because I pretty much told him, I said, hey man, you got free reign at the shop, come do it, but y'all are gonna do this. And they did. They did it. Although they couldn't finish it, you know. Daddy's got to step in every once in a while and get the little boy straight. Don't be throwing leaves. No, you don't. No, don't be doing that.
I also want to remind you, though, that we are doing a giveaway on the Carbon Fox. It's running until January 2nd of 2026. So you still got plenty of time to enter to win. Head over to Facebook on my Brutal page. It'll be pinned at the top for you. Check it out. Enter to win. Good luck, everyone.
He's replacing the solenoid on the car right in a second.
Yeah, don't mind the fuel lines.
Yeah, the fuel lines, that's temporary. So,
It's temporary.
Yeah. All this is temporary. We literally just got it where it would run, and we had some extra fuel line laying around, so that's why it looks like this. But it works. Proof of concept, I guess. He is planning on taking it home tonight, I think. So the car will be back over here at some point, and we're going to give you guys some updates on this ACES, because I know everybody's like, why'd you take it off the Calypso? Is it any good? Yeah, it's good. It's not perfect, but it's good. And I think for this car, once it's dialed in, I think it's gonna be damn nice. It already starts pretty good considering it has no tune. Like, actually, the tune that's in it is the tune that was in the Calypso, and it's just bust right off. Throttle response is good. So we'll let you guys know more on that, but I'm very proud of them. They did a damn good job. We'll get this thing started up for you here in just a second. So we're basically ready to try it right now, right? So I can just leave. Yeah. We'll see if it'll start. Got him a new battery today too. Oh, he didn't get a Rural King battery. He got a Super Start. Well, I mean,
Rural King was farther
that
away.
would be that. I mean, this is gonna work out great right here.
Oh.
It's that Bluetooth. Let's see. With the key.
Yeah.
Did he wire it right? Wow. Dum, dum, dum. Is it really not starting? You got the clutch pressed in?
Yeah.
Are you serious? You suck.
How do I suck?
You did it. It's probably the damn neutral set or the clutch safety
That thing
switch.
still needs to be bolted down, though.
All right, first drive. Supposed to car still needs a few things. You got to start it from under here. You got Dio.
Sabotage.
All right, here we go. First try. Tiny smalling little ride. All right, ain't got no water. Man, that damn rocker arm is loose as hell. Well, hey, there's first drive of it. Hunter's gonna come over probably today or I don't know, at some point, and they'll finish it up. There's a few little things left, but that Asus kit, honestly, once we figured out what was going on with it, and I didn't video any of that for you guys, but once we figured out what was going on, which was just some bad gas, and the timing was 180 out on it, busted right off, idle perfect, throttle response is great, so we'll have some more videos on this car, but just know the Asus kit is back on something, and it's probably gonna be great on this car, if I had to guess. So, see you guys soon. Get on out of here. Andrew, what about this fine piece of machinery?
I don't know about fine. It's a piece of machinery for sure, though.
Hey, roll the window down. Roll the window down. Hey, roll this one down. Hey, roll it down.
Man, you know I can't run. Oh man, this feet work.
What? Well, I like your dash. Your dash is tight, bro.
Yeah, you think it'll stay?
Yeah, I think it'll stay. All right, I got you another idler pulley if you need it. That's what that is. I got another one in there.
Okay. I do want you to talk to me about the guy that you think you found that does dashes for these.
Yeah, he works with this guy that's on the tuning car.
Okay, cool.
They know each other.
Yeah. Just send me his. Make sure you send me his information.
I will.
All right.
All right, be safe.
Will do.
Will you buckle up? Dude, we don't know what the hell this you're gonna do. Buckle up. Why you all up on the back?
Because I'm a midget. You knocked over my speedometer.
Well, as you can see, the car is running, and it's running a lot better. Now, you can listen to it. It does have a pulley, I think, that's squeaking. But Hunter went in and tightened all the rocker arms and found one completely loose. So that's what the noise was that you were hearing earlier. Anyway, he got all that stuff done. Andrew was over to help a little bit. And if you guys don't know, Hunter and Andrew both are my stepsons. You just don't ever really see them together at the shop a lot, but yes, they are brothers. So Hunter's really excited. He's got him a Fox body now, and it runs and it drives. He drove this thing to the house, and it did really good. You know, it's rich, no doubt. And like he said in the video, he wants an insert for the dash where he can put the screen in it. This is when it's fun to work on cars. And this is no knock against him or the car, but they're fun when they're not perfect. This car needs some work. He understands that, but he loves the car. I mean, it's so exciting to get something running that wasn't running, right? This car's never really ran since he's had it. It ran for a couple of hours and they blew a head gasket and they got all that stuff fixed, and here we are. You know, we're back with a running, driving car. So here's what I want to remind you all of. Stay positive, stay focused, and accept the little victories. Claim those things, man. Pat yourself on the back anytime something works that didn't work. one step forward is still one step forward, y'all. It's okay. It doesn't all have to happen in one day. The car doesn't have to be perfect. That is a cool car that is now running, and this car's got a lot of sentimental value to all of us. So to see it back on the road is just cool as hell. Anyway, I'm not going to hold you guys up. I also want to remind you, though, that we are doing a giveaway on the Carbon Fox. It's running until January 2nd of 2026. So you still got plenty of time to enter to win. Head over to Facebook on my Brutal page. It'll be pinned at the top for you. Check it out. Enter to win. Good luck, everyone. I'm going to go ahead and wrap this video up. And as always, thanks for watching.